Hello, today you're looking at a Dynapower 4000 amp 12 volt water cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 220 volt 3-phase. It does have ramp controls. Right here is the manual ramp control. Ramp reset and the ramp board. Unit's in very good working condition, is remote controlled. There is the remote right there. This is a stainless steel unit. Very nice condition, very clean. It is also a filtered unit. You can see the filter system here at the top. Overall dimensions, 40 inches long by 43 inches wide by 60 inches high. Come back around here, we'll start it up for you. See the ramp slowly increases. And the oscilloscope wave also. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.